Hello and welcome guys to Don't Bite Me. In today's video we are going to unbox Cosmic Byte, the new Spider gaming headphone. So this just got released literally 4 days ago and I ordered right away when it just got released. And now it is with me here, and today I'm going to give an review slash unboxing experience to you guys. So this is the package. It just came in right now, not even a minute ago. So why do you have to trust Cosmic Byte? Cosmic Byte is actually a very good company, and they make very premium material products for literally the lowest amount of money you could ever pay for. So in my experience, I have many Cosmic Byte peripherals. For example, here, if you could see, there's my Cosmic Byte mouse. It's a supernova mouse, so they don't manufacture it now. So it used to be manufactured before, but now it does not. And I also have their Cosmic Byte brown keyboard, and I have also their mic. And I used to have their headphone though. So I used to have the old headphone, like I forgot, the GS410. Yeah, here it is. Here's the old headphone. So this used to be my old headphone. It's all worn out, and yeah, it came for solid 2 years though. So props to that. And it was actually an headphone jack powered headphone, but now this one is actually USB powered. So that's the reason I had to buy a USB hub for my laptop though. So today now I'm going to unbox this and let's check out. So here we are. Let's hope I did not slash the box. Yes, I did not. Damn. They really did something on the casing this time. So previously the case doesn't, actually it never used to come like this. So here's the box, and it really looks very premium. It also has LED on this side though, for side note. And the previous boxes doesn't used to look like this. Okay, here's an example. I just got it from where it's a very old box. As you can see, the dust. So it used to come like this. Now they actually changed like this. I like this one because it actually gives you a preview of what's inside. Really could use some work like that. So let's unbox this. So here you can see the specifications. Let me focus it. Up here you can see the specifications though. Pause the video if you want to. Other than that, you can get everything. Soft grab D-bass. So the only thing I'm worried about is the D-bass. For gaming, I don't prefer D-bass items, but still though. So let's pull this out. Oh my god, I'm very bad at this. And there it is. Very cool. And the design on this is actually very much appreciated. They really put a lot of effort on this. Yes, it's brighter, the cable is brighter, so thank god. Let me get it. Here we go. And it actually comes, if you want to use a microphone, you have the separate for it. Or, hey, hold on, what the hell? Dude, what? So apparently you could use either one of these, because look at it. If you could see, there's an actually headphone symbol right there. So that means it could be just put it in the headphone slot instead of the USB. If you I think the USB is for the LED lightings on this thing. So let me show you the LED lightings. So it is the LED lightings. LED is something right here. It's on the other side, but I think that USB is for LED, because that's the reason I just actually bought the USB hub. I did not want it to waste money though. Okay, let's try it now. I had to hold the camera handheld, and here's the headphone. It's plugged in, it's working, and yeah, there it is. I think instead of putting 3 LED lights in a row, this just kept just one LED, I guess, and that's the reason it's closed like this. Other than that, the LEDs are working pretty fine in my opinion, and there's some cushioning if you want to see. Yeah, there we go. There's the cushioning, which seems pretty premium, and there's that head cushion. So now the reason I just killed the lights is because to show off this one. So here's some toggles, here's the volume, here's the mic on and off. So instead of having the whole headphone on and off, it just has the mic on and off. So previously my headphone has like the whole headphone on and off in that the what do you call this extension thing. So now I'm gonna try to do the light so you can see that. So guys, now I'm gonna just test out the actual mic quality. So I'm not recording on this mic, I'm actually recording on this mic because I have used the headphone splitter. So if you can see, this, here's a headphone splitter. So it actually comes like this, but I have headphone splitter just lying around, so I'm just gonna put it right in because my laptop has two ports, one for the mic and other for the headphone. That's the reason I'm going to use the headphone splitter. Okay, it is plugged in right now. I'm gonna record a sample audio and let you guys hear in the later thing. Hello, this is Abhinay recording on Cosmic Byte New Spider headphone. The audio quality is directly recording from the mic and this is how it sounds. So here we go. Hello, this is Abhinay recording on Cosmic Byte New Spider headphone. The audio quality is directly recording from the mic and this is how it sounds. Overall, the headphones are very much comfortable. It actually covers my ear. Okay, in fact, so my ears are very big to be honest, and it covers my whole ear. So I'm already feeling a lot of comfortable. Now I'm gonna try out an 8D audio on YouTube. 8D audios just make the sound around you. Okay, so through that you could actually, if you could hear the location of the song pinpoint accurately, that means the headphone is very much good. So which I'm going to try now. Okay, I cannot show you the audio because it might get copyright striked. So far the headphone feels pretty much awesome at the moment. I think I literally feel the audio is coming from here and to my back and right here again. So I'd say that this is a very good headphone and I would recommend to you all. If you want to buy it, the link is down in the description. Subscribe to
Don't bite me.
if you want more videos like this, and subscribe to my gaming channel if you want me to play, if you want to watch me play. And thank you guys for watching today's video. See you guys later.